at 5:30 this morning. I usually use the alarm to wake up me up. After that, I got ready to go to tourist attraction in the left village. The name is Air Terjun Batu Dinding. In English, Batu Waterfall. The things I prepared were clothes for swimming there, hand body, sunscreen, lipstick, and another personally necessities, tools, drink water, and also brought some food to eat on the road later. After I was ready to pack it to leave, I took a shower and started to prepare myself. I went with my friends there. After that, at around 7 o'clock, I went there. On the way, we didn't stop much. We only stopped to eat. Air Terjun Batu Dinding is one of the hidden waterfalls in Kampar, which display two unique calm of amazing outdoors. Tropical rainforests and being in a crash for rocks make its natural tourist attraction a must to explore. This is called Batu Dinding because the water flows between the rocks in the Kampar. Studies rocks from walls around the tourist location, most grown ability on it. People often refer to this waterfall as branding. The location is quite far from residential areas. You need extra energy so you can see hidden paranormal spectacle of the water. Is clean and the atmosphere is also very calm. There are lots of fish there and their natural is also very well preserved. Before I come on holiday, so many tourists also come here. I really enjoy it when I swim there. After that, don't forget to clean around and shower, put on the sunscreen and makeup, then go home. It turned out that on the run, we met a tractor that was clearing a road long enough for us to want for tractor to pull over. After arriving home at around 7 p.m., I took a shower and rested. I found this out that tonight my mother made a delicious sagu noodles. This is a typical Malayu food. My mother also added eggs. It tasted very delicious because I was also tired after walking and I sitting out there finally sleeping around 7 p.m. Goodbye guys, thank you for watching.